this video we learn the peel operation to the high-speed milling for mill this portion along like the pocket open to end, and the first thing I should be make the UCS at the top over here for easy to manage the part. Right now I activate the bottom plane and Z axis is the direct up like this, and we still okay with this plane, but I would like to do the UCS as right on the center of the part for like normally we do, and I click the plane and make another plane. The first thing I make the one entity for over here for easy to track on, and make the plane dynamic plane, put right on the middle point, and axis is along with the long side, and the y-axis is along with the short side, and the Z along with the thickness over here. That's what we need. And right now we see this is we click wrong spot, and we need to reselect again, and I'll close this and reselect again. Dynamic is over here, and point middle point for exactly snap point. Yep. Now we got the UCS right on the top over here. View over here, and I need to make the name is the bottom, and it's a workpiece, and it's want to be matched up with the bottom over here, and come back to toolpaths and right click to the high speed peel mill. The peel mill, we need to select two contour or one contour, and the peel is along that contour or the contour, and in this case we use two of them, and over here show up the reason for machining. Click here, you can see that one, and tool I run at 500 volt nose and mill with radius 62 thou and 200 SSM. I would run 2 and 510 for chip loss per tooth, and it's come up 1525, and I keep the chip thinning, and we can make this one a peel pure milling for output. Okay, now is the run done ready, and we try to run the back plot. Run the first path. Turn off this one for run faster. Run the second pass. Information. This will run 6 hours. Oh, it's too long. Stop. We can check the toolpaths over here. Top. Let's see over here. And we can check the toolpaths over here. Zoom up. I'll check the entity. Check the point over here. And we got the line entity over here, and the Y is here. We check the point. Line entity, the point over here. Flow. Point. We check the toolpath over here. We see the toolpath come in, and it have the G code over here. G code over here, and the coordinate of the point over here. Check the verify. Did the cut right on the first cut. it run two passes. One pass is 1 inch, two pass is 2 inch, but leave 10,000 at floor and 25 at the wall. Show up the workpiece and see how. Stop over here and we can compare over here. And we need to put the compare over here, and anything compare we need to change the number over here. And then right now it compare over here, it show up the color, and the green color, that means the over here is a negative 10,000 to the 10,000. We need to put the 0. We do the 5,000. And it negative 10 to 0 and compare again. We don't see any. We saw all the surface at the operation we make is not with this color. That means we still leave the stock over here. Yeah, that's the pure operation.